Hi boys and girls, I am Auntie Sandra and today we will be doing spelling. Please go ahead and write spelling on your paper and the numbers 1 through to 10. I will be saying the words and all you need to do is to listen carefully and write the letter for the sounds that you hear. Okay, let's begin. Our first word is blot, blot, blot. Our next word is slot, slot, slot. Our next word is snob, snob, snob. Our next word is blog, blog, blog. Our next word is frog, frog, frog. Our next word is crop, crop, crop. Our next word is drop, drop, drop. Our next word is stop, stop, stop. Our next word is spot, spot, spot. And our last word is plop, plop, plop. Are you finished, boys and girls? Okay, let's begin marking our spelling. Our first word is blot, blot. Did you write blot, blot? Wow, good job. Amazing. Our next word is slot, slot. Did you write slot, slot? Wow, good job. Our next word is snob, snob. Did you write snob, snob? Wow, awesome. Our next word is blog, blog. Did you write blog, blog? Awesome, correct. Our next word is frog, frog. Did you write frog, frog? Wow, terrific. Good job. Our next word is crop, crop. Did you write crop, crop? Wow, good job. Our next word is drop, drop. Did you write drop, drop? Wow, good job. Our next word is stop, stop. Did you write stop, stop? Wow, good job. Our next word is spot, to spot. To spot. Did you write to spot? Wow, perfect. And our last word is plop. Did you write plop? Wow, amazing. Good job. If you got all of your words correct, that means you got 10 out of 10. If you got any word incorrect, please to do your correction. And please give yourselves a round of applause. You did great. All I need you to do now is to keep practicing. Thank you for watching this video. See you next time.